Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower. Fit the box, fit the mold, have a seat for ya. Take a number. I was lightning before the thunder.
'Tis the season to catch fiddlers. La 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 la. Welcome y'all, and now it's nice and bright outside. I'm on the way to catch some fiddler crabs on my lunch break right now. Then I'm gonna try to hurry up and see if I can catch a couple sheep's head, which I doubt, but I'm gonna go ahead and try anyway. So let's hurry up and get some fiddlers. I see them already. Ooh, thousands of them. Good Lord, they're everywhere. Jeez. Round them up. Gotta hurry up and get them. So many fiddlers. So let me see if I can block them all down here. I don't even care if I get bit. I just want some fiddlers. Fiddlers are out, so this is the time to get them, y'all. Right now, wherever you know there's fiddlers at, start collecting them before it gets cold again. They're here for the picking, because sheep's head season starts February. Is the best month to start catching them inshore. So that's why I love my job so much. You know, I can catch fiddlers during lunch and get a whole bunch of them and get ready for the weekend or whenever I decide to go. Let's see. There's a whole bunch over here. It's just everywhere. Golly. They just waiting for me to pick them up. Look at this. Just waiting. Okay. Well, y'all, I think that's enough me catching fiddler crabs, but you get the idea. You know, they're out here. So get to your local fiddler crab location, wherever you know there's fiddlers at, and round them up. I'm here today, just get off of work, and I feel like having fish for dinner tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and try for some reds, and I got some fiddler crabs. So I know black drums love fiddler crabs. So I'm gonna put some fiddler crabs on my sheephead line and throw it out and see if I get a black drum. I know they're in here, so it's just a matter of finding them. Let's see what we get. Red. All right. Get my first slot. Red. Just get two more to have my dinner. Yes, South Carolina. Just got off of work. So here we go. Red number one. Fiddler crab. Don't know what it is yet. Hoping it's a black drum. Or maybe a redfish. Redfish like them too. Okay, it is a redfish. I probably can't bring it. I got a small hook on there. All right, y'all. Got a nice red here off of fiddler crab. Good. Get him unhooked. There you go, y'all. Off a fiddler crab. Let's toss him back in. He's good to go. And back he's swimming again. Fiddler crab's hooked. Got 2 in there. So let's see what you get this time. Caught a bull red the first time on him. I'm trying to go for a black drum. Put in my second slot red. There we go. 2 right there. Like some sheep's head maybe in here where they tore my fiddler crab up. Something tore it up. So we'll see. Slot number 3. Yes, sir. There we go. Slot number 3. There we go. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Well, I'm back home from work and fishing, and as y'all know, I have a crappie or crappie, whatever y'all want to call it, crappie or crappie, named Spanky, and he wanted to be in the video. So I asked him, I said, Spanky, what are you going to do? Like, what can you offer my video footage? And he said, well, I can demonstrate how we eat minnows. So I said, that sounds like a good idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw some minnows in there and let Spanky show y'all how he eats minnows. So here we go. Hey, in here I have my minnows, and there goes Spanky. And I'm gonna go ahead and put these minnows in here so he can demonstrate how he eats minnows. Alright. Go ahead, Spanky. This is what y'all been waiting for. You got your minnows in there. What you gonna do? Okay. He's just sitting there. He might be full already, I'm not sure. But he should be ready to eat something. Okay, he's trying for him. Oh, he's getting that feeding frenzy. Think he's gonna get somebody sooner or later. Well, let's go ahead and pause it so he gets ready. Y'all, Spanky wasn't hungry today. I'm sorry for that. He said that he's going to demonstrate it, but he just didn't feel like eating. But anyway, sheep's head season is around the corner, and I got some fiddlers, so stay tuned for some sheep's head action soon. Not sure when, but it'll be soon. So please like and subscribe and share this video, and can't wait to see y'all again on the water. Later.